Hello and welcome back. This is lesson 10. Please relax. There is no need to memorize anything, just listen. Let the words come to you slowly and naturally. You are doing very well. Let us begin. Here are the 12 English words for today. Just listen, no repeating yet. Time, place, way, reason, idea, problem, question, answer, fact, point, case, example. Good. Now we will say the same words together. Please listen and repeat these words after me. Time, time, place, place, way, way, reason, reason, idea, idea, problem, problem, question, question, answer, answer, fact, fact, point, point, case, case, example, example. Very good, nice and calm. Now, let us listen to the 12 words joined with other words. You can repeat them if you like. This is the time. That is the place. This is the way home. A good reason. An idea today. This is a problem. A question here. The answer now. An important fact. I point there. This is the case. A good example. Good. There is no rush. Okay, let us listen to a short, gentle story using the 12 words. I want to learn English today. This is the time. This is the place. I think about the way I learn. I have a reason to start now. I have a good idea. I also see a problem. I ask a question. I get an answer. This is a fact. That is the point. Just in case. This is a good example. Okay, next. Now, let us listen to the words one more time. Time, place, way, reason, idea, problem, question, answer, fact, point, case, example. Excellent. You did very well today. This is the end of lesson 10. Always relax and take your time, and I will see you for the next lesson. Well done. If you enjoyed this lesson, Please like, share and subscribe.